Welcome back. Now, in this session, I am going to start with morphology. And in today's session, first we will try to complete types of root system and regions of root. So now, let us start with the types of root system. We know there are two types of root systems. One is tap root system and second one adventitious root system. So first we will see what is a taproot system. So taproot system is one which is formed from radical of the embryo, and here radical grows into main root, which is called as a tap root. Here there will be a main root which is called as a tap root. Main root is called as a tap root. That means radical grows into a main root. Now this main root will give rise to many branches, and these branches which are formed from the main root, these branches are called as lateral roots, or they are called as secondary roots. These lateral or secondary roots, they further branch to form tertiary roots. So that means here from lateral roots, secondary roots, many other branches also are formed. So here there are three types of roots formed. One is primary root, secondary root and tertiary root. And all together it forms the taproot system. Example of taproot system: all dicots, they show taproot system. Example is all dicots. Now, next let us see the second one, that is adventitious root system. Adventitious root system. Adventitious root system is the root system formed from any other part than the radical. Here radical does not help in formation of a root system, but any other part than the radical, when it develops into the root, then it is called as a adventitious root. For example, we find adventitious roots in dicots like banyan. In banyan, prop roots are present. So these prop roots in banyan, these prop roots help in mechanical strength. They grow downwards and they help in mechanical strength. So they are formed from branches. Prop roots are formed from branches. That's why these are called adventitious roots. And another example of dicot is monstera. Monstera is an epiphytic plant and it develops adventitious roots. Now, another variation of adventitious roots are fibrous root system. In fibrous root system, radical is very short-lived. The most important feature of fibrous root system is here radical is ephemeral. Ephemeral means short-lived. When the radical is short-lived, it is called as ephemeral. So radical is short-lived or ephemeral, and this radical first grows as a taproot, as a primary root, but soon this primary root will be replaced by a cluster of many thin fiber-like roots. Though first a primary root is formed, but it is replaced by a cluster of thin fiber-like roots. So such cluster of thin fiber-like roots, it is called as a fibrous root system. So fibrous root system is most commonly found in monocots. Most commonly fibrous roots, example monocots. Monocots like all cereals like rice, wheat, maize, all the cereals in monocots fibrous root system is present. So we can say fibrous root system is a type of adventitious root system. So here we can derive one statement which is important for Neet. So all this, when I am discussing, I will be giving you an important points at the end of the topic. What can be expected in a Neet exam. So after explaining the topic, in the end we can discuss like a synopsis what kind of points can be expected. Now suppose I have to I have to give some points on the types of root system. So what all points I can give? So I will write here Neet points. Neet points from types of root system. So point wise I am going to give. So first point what we can give is radical is persistent in taproot system. Radical is persistent in taproot system. That means it remains along with the root system. So it is persistent with taproot system. How is it persistent? In the form of primary root. Now, next point, radical is ephemeral. Radical is ephemeral in fibrous root system. Second point, what you have to know? Radical is ephemeral in fibrous root system. Third point, adventitious root system. Adventitious root system is formed from any other part than radical. This is third point. Adventitious root system is formed from any other part than the radical. Now, next point, adventitious root system is found in both dicots and monocots. Adventitious root system is found in both dicots and monocots. But fibrous root system is found only in monocots. Fibrous root system is found only in monocots. So, these are. One more last point. What can be given is all fibrous roots are adventitious, but all adventitious roots are not fibrous. Adventitious roots are not fibrous. All fibrous roots are adventitious, but all adventitious roots are not fibrous. So, with this, in this way, what I thought of when I discuss the points in this way, first explanation of the topic and then giving you all the Neet points required. So, we know very well in the Neet, especially this year's Neet, we have many statement type of questions. So when we write in this form, when you know what all statements can be asked in that particular topic, it will be easy for you to learn the topic first and also write out the points. So I am going to make a short videos taking a very small topic so that it will be easy for you to learn along with the when you watch the video. I hope this video is useful. Children and also all my students and all my well-wishers, all my subscribers. So please do share, and subscribe if you have still not haven't subscribed, and share it to maximum number of the contacts, the students which you have. So thank you very much. Again in next session I'll be coming with the another video. Thank you so much.